If you're looking for ways to achieve a baby soft face, there are plenty of things you can do to improve the texture and appearance of your skin. From using gentle products to following a consistent skincare routine, here are some tips to help you attain a smooth and supple complexion. Eat a balanced diet. Your skin is your body's biggest organ and needs the right nutrients to stay soft and healthy. A diet rich in good fats, like omega-3 fatty acids, will help your skin to produce hydrating natural oils and prevent inflammation. The foods richest in omega-3s include fish, eggs, nuts, dairy, and Brussels sprouts. If your skin is prone to roughness and breakouts, you may have a minor food allergy. Improve your air quality. Skin is constantly exposed to the outside air. Smoke damages and dries out your skin. Because you breathe through your mouth and nose, these effects are magnified on your facial skin. Avoid working and living in smoke-filled environments. If you smoke tobacco, quitting will have an almost immediate effect on your skin's softness and will prevent premature aging. Consider adding a humidifier to your bedroom during the winter or if you live in a dry climate. Dry air will sap your skin of moisture and softness. Cleanse gently. One of the most important steps in achieving a baby soft face is to cleanse your skin properly. However, you don't want to use harsh cleansers that can strip your skin of its natural oils. Instead, opt for a gentle cleanser that's specifically formulated for your skin type. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover, which can leave your skin looking brighter and more youthful. However, it's important not to over-exfoliate or use harsh scrubs that can damage your skin. Look for gentle exfoliants that contain alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, which can provide a mild chemical exfoliation. Moisturize daily. Keeping your skin moisturized is crucial if you want to achieve a baby soft face. Make sure to apply a hydrating moisturizer every morning and night, and look for products that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid or ceramides, which can help to lock in moisture. Protect your skin from the sun. Exposure to UV rays from the sun can lead to premature aging, dark spots, and other skin damage. To protect your skin, make sure to wear sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every day, even when it's cloudy outside. Use facial oils. Facial oils can be a great addition to your skincare routine if you're looking to achieve a baby soft face. Look for oils that are high in antioxidants and fatty acids, like argan oil or rosehip oil, which can help to nourish and hydrate your skin. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health, but it's also crucial for maintaining healthy-looking skin. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to ensure that your skin has time to regenerate and repair itself. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can achieve a baby soft face that's smooth, supple, and glowing. Remember to be patient and consistent with your skincare regimen, as it may take some time to see results.